Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the mock granny stripe stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 half double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're going to skip 1 chain. Into this next chain, you're going to make 2 half double crochet together. So that's 1 and 2. Skip the next chain. Into the next one, make 2 half double crochet together. Skip the next chain, into the next one, make 2 half double crochet together. You're now going to repeat this sequence until you have 2 chains left in your row. When you get to the end of your row and you have 2 chains left, you're going to skip this chain right here into the last chain of your row. You're going to make 2 half double crochet into that chain together. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 2 half double crochet. Now the sequence is going to continue, just using stitches. You're going to skip 1 stitch, into this next stitch, make 2 half double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one, make 2 half double crochet. And you're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left. You're going to skip 1 stitch like normal, but into this last stitch of your row, you're only going to make 1 half double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 half double crochet by itself. Now you're going to start repeating the sequence again. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one, make 2 half double crochet together. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one, make 2 half double crochet together. You're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the mock granny stripe stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.